case kiba thamai kiba ngiyo hadu shibaji menta kasngi gilong khat khandai na East Khas Hills kidan khat san khat lai kidegi BSF ar kidegi wei pat West Jaintia Hills iwei South Garo Hills iwei West Garo Hills are ki total active cases ki bangidan hadu menta gilong sanspa fra po East Khas Hills kidan South pa khandai puai BSF aspa sanfusau kiwei gilong aspa lai Armed Forces Life South West Khasi Hills South Southwest Khasi Hills Ndan Ribhoi South West Jaintia Hills Khat South East Jaintia Hills Khat San West Garo Hills Khat San Southwest Garo Hills South South Garo Hills Iwei kiba la recover menta kasni kilong lai pat baro kiba recover hadu menta kilong aspa sipo bakhlat san kilong khat khandai hadu mestap ngiyo ar menten janmit hadu sibaji ngiyo khadnyau kilong khat khandai khat lai gidi BSF iwei de returni na po Bihar hadin break West Jaintia Hills ide returni na po Assam South Garo Hills returni na po Guwahati West Garo Hills baru arngot kidi returni na po Assam ngiladap yo ini positive case kadi ke police case tu la fates long positive dan ngele iwat namar bakia khamyo yo tu phone number na kaliang jong health team ga jongi tingi haban pan ne jingi rap jong ki kulit te na kliang jong ki ngila yo ude po mo ba tingi la rai ki ye support corona case center